Good morning, this is Midori. I'm going to show you how to make, how I have been making the masks. There are many patterns and many different methods in doing this. And then you're going to see if you look up YouTube videos and searching for how to make a mask, you're going to get millions of, different methods. Anyway, this is how I have been doing it for the past 4 weeks and giving to my family and friends. Okay, here we go. So the fabric I cut 9 by 14, okay? And I have felt, this is 6 by 6, and I also need this metal that goes over bridge of your nose. And then I need elastic. I ran out of white. And I ordered a white, but it comes from China and takes like a month and a half to get here. I was able to find these elastic in gold. That was the only color available, so I didn't have a choice to pick black or, different color. So anyway, all right, so let's go. Let's start. So fold the fabric in half. Okay. And then place this felt in the middle, but only the top, give it like a 1/4 inch. All right. And place in the middle. And then you're going to stitch it, only of course on that one side. Okay. So once you have a stitch, then you get this. Okay, so this is going to go inside as a filter. It'll function as a filter. And then you're going to sew the sides and up to here, like maybe a couple, 2 to 3 inches from the side. When you sew the side, you're going to insert that elastic inside between the fabric, and then it'll be in the inside. It looks like this. Okay, and then you do that for both sides, and then you sew up to here. Once you have that, you're going to cut the corners. This corner, just clip it. So let me show you. Cut it and cut. Okay. And then you're going to flip it inside out. Actually, outside. Outside out. Okay, let me get the corners right. Okay, and then flatten the inside of felt so it looks like this, right? And then place your metal all the way on the top, and then you can feel it. It's on the top, and then make sure you place it in the middle of that fabric, and then you're going to do a stitches from the top, and then like a 1/4 inch from the top, and then close, so this metal stays in place. So then you have this. See how there's a stitches, okay? And then once you flip it, it looks like this, and then you have stitches in the middle. So this is the inside of the mask. This side is outside. All right, and you can see it's the bottom is still open. All right, and then you have that outside open, and then you're going to fold it. I only make 2 pleats, so here's 1 pleat, and pin it, and this side, and then do the same thing on the bottom. And oops, sorry. Okay, so, and then basically you sew from the here and stitches the bottom, close to the bottom possible, and then go up. And then sometimes I go back and forth between these, pleats. Okay, and then once you press it, it'll be like this. It's done. And again, this, if you see the stitches inside, that's the inside of the mask. And there's a metal over here that goes over the bridge of your nose, and mask will expand. Okay, and so that's it. That's the end of it. Thank you very much.